Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make garlic prawns. So let's get started. I've got here 750 grams of raw prawns which I have peeled, deveined and rinsed. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 80 grams of butter which I have chopped, quarter cup of garlic, quarter cup of chopped shallots or green onions, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste, and quarter cup of chopped fresh or frozen parsley. Place a fry pan on medium heat, add butter and olive oil and heat it until the butter has melted. Add garlic and shallots. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 minutes. Add prawns, pepper and quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn them over and cook it for further 2 minutes. Mix it again and taste your salt. Add salt according to your taste. Add fresh or frozen parsley. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Turn the heat off and it is ready to serve. My quick and tasty garlic prawns are ready and you can make it and serve it with some garlic bread, crunchy potatoes or with some steamed vegetables. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.